me anything that you're gonna leave. As I kiss this fallen tear, I promise you I will be here until there's no tears left to cry, until the angels close my eyes. And even if we're worlds apart, I'll find a way back to you by heart.
The title of that song is
By
By
heart.
heart.
Ganda. Aiza Zagera, good morning. Welcome to Boy and Chris.
Good morning po.
OJ, good morning.
Good morning po.
Kararating pa lamang, kalalapag lang ng aeroplano, diretso na sa Boy and Chris.
Sa US po. I went to LA and then
Sure
Michigan.
ka mo naman.
Swerte
Wow,
talaga.
di ba? And of course, Mark Bautista.
Hi, dito Boy and Miss Chris.
Tanong ako anong song mo na nakanta na, part of any of your albums, ang masasabi mong na-experience mo na as far as being in love is concerned?
Siguro, Break It To Me Gently.
Break It To Me Gently. Talaga?
Si OJ, di ba OJ yung nasa album mo yung Dance With My Father?
Yes.
Di ba boy, sinabi ko
Yeah.
sa'yo, for everybody who has lost their dad and alam nila how devoted their mother is, yan yung isa sa pinakadakilang love songs na maririnig mo. Sing us naman part of it na it will really make us feel na yun yung emotions ng nanay namin.
Okay. Actually, the one going to the end, I really like that part. That's the song. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again.
Yes.
Of all your songs, which one would best illustrate talaga whatever you've been through in life as far as loving is concerned?
Yung pagdating ng panahon siguro. Alam mo yun, syempre, every time, parang gusto mo mag-hope ka na parang sana maging okay, pero hindi.
Ikaw, kung maliligaw ka ngayon, ano yung song na talagang isang ganon pag kinanta mo, sasagutin ka ng Girlalette?
And the world is cold. I would feel a glow just thinking of you. Just the way you look tonight.
Tapatan mo yan, OJ. Masigit pa dyan.
Ganda. Alam mo bakit? Dahil yung babae, kaagad siya yayakapin kasi lalamigin. Di ba? Okay, ikaw, OJ.
Same thing po. Actually, this came to my mind. Cause I will always stay this way in love with you. I will always stay this way in love with you. I will always stay in love this way.
Ano ikaw, Aiza?
Anong kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo ikaw ay minamahal ko?
Last request kay Mark, the song that says, I appreciate you so much because of you, parang
I have become
gumanda
better.
ang life ko at gumanda
Yeah.
din ang pagkatao ko.
You, siguro, you. You give me hope. Iba-iba tono. The strength and will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way. And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe eternal tide. You make me feel real good inside.
Sumisenyas ako sa kanya na parang lyrics.
Ang galing. Ang sarap maging singer, no?
Thank you so much talaga
Yes.
for sharing the music
You
with us.
guys
What's coming up?
Yes, you have an album, OJ.
I just like to plug my second album. I have been here. And sa mga nanonood po, I hope you could buy my second album, OJ Mariano Ballads, released under Star Records. It's available in all record outlets worldwide, actually. At saka I will be at Metro Bar this coming June 5 with Rico J. Puno, Nina, and May Quinto.
Alright,
Hope you guys
okay.
can see it.
Mark,
Yung album ko po lalabas by June. First week ng June yata na bago. So,
Balik ka.
balik ka dito.
Must
Okay.
promote that.
invite niyo po ako. And June 15, Singapore with Sarah Geronimo.
Oh, London na, Singapore pa.
Yung mga singers na
Aiza?
nakaka-travel pa.
Ah,
Aiza,
yung-
congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Hindi ko pa alam yung title ng album na lalabas, pero sana abangan nyo po. And yung album po na isa po, yung Understar Records, labas pa rin yung Para Lang Sa'yo. So, ayun.
Hindi, pinag-uusapan natin yung album
Kino-congratulate mo siya
for the international recording that you're doing and
For
you're
Singapore,
currently
di
doing.
ba?
Yes.
To be released all over Asia.
Congratulations.
Thank you
Mabuhay.
very much.
You make
Salamat
us
po.
proud, Aiza.
Thank
Okay?
you.
Sarah?
Yeah.
I wanna sing it. Parang,
Me too.
Is it too late to
Live.
sing? Okay. Mga kaibigan, magbabalik po ang Boy.
And Chris.
Puso sa pusong episode. Kaya ang gagamitin natin, puso ng saging. Hi, Chef Bruce.
Hi, Chris.
You love my kitchen?
It's a beautiful kitchen. It beats mine.
Yeah, yay! Ang ganda. Halina kayo. Irish and JR, join me. Welcome. Thank you. I think this is the first time you guys are guesting together as a couple.
Hindi naman.
Parang, di ba? Hindi naman. Asusin ka talaga. Okay, anyway. Puso ng saging. Explain it to me. How? Tingnan natin yan, ha?
Okay. Nasa loob siya.
Saan?
There.
Are those black ones? You mean to say, eventually, kung hinayaan lang natin siya, magiging bananas na yan talaga? Aliw! Wow, we're learning. Did you realize that?
Hindi.
Galing mo? Okay, ang gagawin natin
So we put this sa boiling water.
Okay. For how long?
It takes about 7 to 8 minutes para maluto siya.
Okay.
So all we have to do,
Let her try to remove.
medyo sticky siya, so
I'll go. Okay. Nagkukook ka ba, Irish?
Learning. Natutunan ako na magluto ng Filipino foods.
Like?
Sinigang hipon, my favorite ko siya.
Okay.
Ano pa yung mga niluto ko? Arroz-caldo, adobo, nilaga.
Good for you! Nasanay ka na sa buhay Pinoy.
Medyo. Actually, kasi back home, my mom was very... she really instilled the Filipino values.
Ay, good.
So when I came here, it wasn't a big adjustment. Of course, there's still different cultural differences.
Oo.
Pero okay siya. And then JR helps me out a lot.
Okay, paano namuo muna yung bonding, yung dalawa? From inside
Sa loob
sa PDA. Parang na-feel nyo na parang may chemistry kayo, ganon?
May hiya. Yung nahihiya, ako nahihiya ako lumapit sa kanya. Kasi
tapos?
nag-English siya eh.
What are we doing? Frying butter? Butter muna ang nilagay mo, no?
regular olive oil.
Olive oil lang, wala.
Wala.
Walang dramang ano. Kasi dip eh, so inisip ko na garlic lang and olive oil.
Garlic lang,
That's it?
olive oil, that's it.
Ba't ka na-attract sa kanya, Irish?
So, mabait siya. Super... Inalagaan niya ako bilang kaibigan. Parang...
Ano reaction ng family mo?
Okay sila. Gusto ni mami si JR.
No, but syempre kasi you're far away from them.
Maybe it's...
What's this?
I'm gonna add that body now.
What's alugbati nga?
It's like
Reaction niya, ano yun? Oh.
it's like a leaf that grows wild everywhere, kind of like talbos na.
Siya sa States, yun sa States ako.
Saan nabibili yan?
In the palengke they have.
Okay.
And it's a little
Oo, di ba?
Medyo siya peppery, so also like watercress.
Nag-salt. Meron ba kayong mga endearing na pet name sa isa't isa?
Wala. And...
Wala,
Inaasar ko
ganon.
lang siya. May mga asaran siya.
Like,
May dinosaur feet si JR.
what does dinosaur feet
Kasi yung paa niya, parang, ang cute kasi parang malapad at
Sinasaway mo
saka
na-
mataba. Parang, alam mo parang baby. Di ba baby dinosaur feet? Pag hindi pa sila naglalakad.
So, malapad ang paa mo. Okay,
Huwag mo na ako
Siyempre,
pakabalik.
nagagawa natin. Yan na yung butter. Okay, so yan.
Queso, cheese.
Ito na yung cheese na gusto nyo. Okay.
Siya, kala ko yan.
The food processor, ano nalagay mo? You put na
Pag puso ng saging, add the cooked alugbate
Okay.
and cheese.
Naging keso na siya. There is a peppery flavor. Bakit sa pandesal?
Normally we'd use it with like croutons or...
Pero kung Pinoy style, di ba?
Yeah, it's really, really good.
It's actually good, ah. And at least meron ka nung dahon-dahon talaga na... Oh,